This is the week schedule grid template available at SharePoint-dashboards.com. As you can see in the preview window, this is a way to show a schedule, a recurring schedule based on time slots throughout a day. So what you see here is the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then listed vertically are time slots. Those can be in whatever range you want. For example, you could have that broken into half an hour blocks or hour blocks or longer. It could start and end at any point in the day you want. Those will be individual records. As you play around with this, that will be a lot more clear. Like the other templates, you should check out your theme options. There's some different things you can do. One particular thing that's important, you can choose to optionally include Saturday and Sunday in your schedule grid or turn that off if you want to just make your grid for the main part of the week. And then additionally, you can decide whether you want to allow for inline edit. And then you can control the title bar as well. This template is compatible with SharePoint Online, and it does use a list template, which is different than some of the other templates at the SharePoint-dashboards.com site. In order to use this particular template, you do need to download the list template by following the link in the notes. The template is called Week Schedule. So if you click on that, it will download a STP file to your local computer, which you can then import to your SharePoint environment so that this template is available to you. You can learn more about how to import and work with list templates by following the link in the notes where it says manage list templates. That links to a Microsoft support page which will help you understand how that works. Once you have installed and added that list template, you can set up your list and you will have exactly the fields in your list that you see in front of you here. And then you can, of course, add records to that list. Now, this list initially won't have any formatting. What you're going to see are all of the columns that are needed to be used with this template. So I need to go into the template builder screen and I'm going to hit the copy template button, follow the directions in the pop-up, then click OK, and then come back over here and go to the view selector, format current view, advanced mode, and then paste in my code, and then I'll get the template view that we're looking for. Now, I have allowed for the inline edit mode, which I would recommend in this case. I have that toggled on. You don't have to use that. You can turn it off. And this makes it so that I can just inline edit parts of this grid to quickly update that schedule. So I can just change this text, hit enter, and do quick updates like that. As far as changing the coloring that you see here, that's an interesting part of this. And you can see all of these individual cells can be adjusted. So we'll look at how that happens. If you click on the link in the first column under time slot, you can get to the list form, and that's where you can make those kinds of adjustments. There are special fields in this list template which control those background colors. So when you go to those fields, you'll see that there is a drop down and I can select from any of these options to change the color. So once I hit save, you'll see that it updates the highlighting on that cell. And then I can just update any of those BG field, as in background color. So maybe I want to make all of those orange. I can just keep going down through the list like so. And then once I hit save for the record, you'll see that that row now has the orange highlights as well. So you can make things stand out or format according to however you want. You may also add additional time slots. So notice that I have these in very specific time ranges. You can use whatever time ranges that you want. So this ends at 7 p.m. Maybe I want a 7 to 8 o'clock time window. So I can do that by going to this drop down, and I can select 7 p.m. And then minute start, those are in 5-minute increments. And then I need to select hour end. We'll say this is from 7 to 8 p.m. at night, and also ending on 0 minutes. And then I can fill all these other values in from the list. So I'm just going to initially save that. And there you see I have a new time slot. And I'll just put in dessert. Or I could put in, I don't know, we'll do snack time. Select that. And I can paste. So I like the inline edit mode for this particular template. And then if I want to do the background color highlighting, I could just click into the record and adjust background colors. So this could be really handy for planning out a schedule. And of course you could replicate this list for people. So there might be a week schedule for a particular user, or it could be representative of a room in an office. This could be used for conference room scheduling, for example. So this is a nice way to format that data in a grid that is something everybody is familiar with when they're thinking about a week schedule. So I hope you like the concept of this template, the week schedule grid. It's really easy to set up. This template is a pro template at the SharePoint dashboards.com site. You will have access to this as part of the pro subscription. If you are new to SharePoint dashboards and you want to try it out first, you can sign up for 20 free templates so you can learn how this works. And then if you move ahead with that, you'll have access to all of the templates which are in the subscription package. So I hope you like this week schedule grid and you can use it in your SharePoint site, and I wish you good luck.